the channel. So today we are going to learn this AI viral photo editing. Check out these terrific images that I have made. Isn't it looking so amazing? Do you want to try make these amazing, incredible images of your own? So let's give it a try. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Please do subscribe and stay updated. Go to Play Store and install this card. After installing, click on Open. Then go to this card. You have to register it with your email ID. After giving your email ID, click on Next. Then you have to give a username. I have given this. After putting the username, then put your password. Keep a strong password. After keeping password, click on Next. Then you need to enter your birth date. After selecting your birth date, you need to click on Confirm. Then after that, create an account. And your account will be created. Now create your own server. Click Create Server. And after that, you need to verify your email through your Gmail account. And this will take you to the Google Chrome. Here you'll get an image that your email ID has been verified. Now, again go to Chrome and type Midjourney. Then open Midjourney and join the beta. Now you have to accept the invite. After accepting invite, you need to verify some images or photo. I've got some images of tulips, so I'll check these tulips. After that, click OK or verify. After that, you'll be redirected to the Midjourney page. Here, click on the three dots. Then click on these numbers. Here, click on the Midjourney bot and add your server. Select a server, then click on Continue. And you need to authorize it. Click on Authorize. After that, you will redirect it to the Midjourney page. Click on General, then click on this plus button. You need to allow your gallery or photos. You have to select one or many photos you can select. I have selected this one photo. Then you need to click on Send. And it will be sent to the bot. Then click on Share and share it to your notepad. You have to copy this link and redirect it to your Discord app. Then do as I am doing. Right imagine and you have to paste the copied link here. Then give them a command like I am writing cyberpunk, futuristic, little boy. And don't forget, after writing every word, you need to give comma, otherwise it will not work. So give comma after every word. After writing this, you need to click on send. That is the blue button. And it will give the command to the server. My net is a little bit slow, so it will take time. And now it is showing that how much percentage it has completed. For example, it is showing 31%, 62%, like this it will show. And this is the final image. Look how terrific the image is looking. So click on these three dots and save it. And here it is ready, your customized AI photo. Bye bye.